Hey everybody, in this video we got a 2005 Volvo S40 door lock, and we're going to use the HU101 Lishi to pick and decode it and hopefully make a working key for it. I've lubricated it already, and this uses the HU101 keyway, which is what the high security Fords use also. So get started here, get the tool inserted in. And zoom in here so everybody can hopefully see. Alright, and this is a 10 cut lock here. So first thing we need to figure out what's where. So we got, looks like 1 and 2 are going to be going down, which means 3, 4, 7, and 8 will be going up. And we're just going to just go through, look for binding pins, or binding wafers, I mean. And if it springs, leave it alone. And also these locks actually have like serrations on them. So anyway, we get started here. We got a little bit of click on one and we're still binding. So apply some more and we're still binding. As you can see, there's no spring. And now we're binding, so 1 is set. And go check out number 2. 2 is springy, we'll leave it alone. Okay, 5 is actually binding. So let off tension a hair, back it off just a little bit. Click on 5. And now that's springy. 6 is springy, leave it alone. 9 and 10 both springy. So let me go check the top now. Okay, 3 is binding. Click on 3. Okay, 4 is actually springy, so leave it alone. Okay, 7 is binding. Click on 7, and 8 is binding. I had to back off tension a little bit, and I got to click on it, but I heard something drop. So we'll go back and check everything. Okay, 3 is still springy, 4 is springy, 7 is springy. So we'll go check the bottom now. Okay, 1's binding against, that must be what dropped. And we've got to click, and we're still binding. Another click on it. Okay, 2 is, well, I don't know if you heard that or not. It was binding a little bit and got a little click without barely touching it. Okay, and 5 is binding again. Click on 5, drop some more stuff. I don't know if you heard that or not. Okay, 9, 10 still springy. Okay, 1 dropped again. So, no big deal when they drop, just part of the process. Okay, 3 and 4 are springy. 7's binding again. Nice click on 7. Okay, 2 is binding. And I don't believe we've actually got 2 set yet. Okay, there we go. And we're open. Let me zoom out a hair here and see if we can actually decode it here. These HU101s, it can be a little bit tricky because there's, like you saw in that number 1 here, to pick it a couple different times and to get multiple clicks each time you pick it. Let's see if we can actually get a good decode on it here and go cut a key and see if it works. It's always the test on these things. Switch light sources here so there's no glare back at the camera. Oops. Alright, so go ahead and go through the decoding now. Okay, so we got 2, 1. And it's going to be a 3 and a 5. Four and a 4. And there's a 2 and a 4. And 9 and 10 we never set, so 5 and 5. Okay, makes sense here because tool will basically set the longest pins. So for our cuts here, we actually have 2, 1, 3, 5, 4, 4, 2, 4, 5, 5. And let me grab my phone here, and we'll run this through Instacode. I normally use lock codes, but I know that's a kind of an international audience here, and the whole world uses Instacode. I think lock codes is pretty much only in the States, I think. So let me pull that up real quick here. And we're going to go to vehicle. Manufacturer is Volvo. Model is an S40. 2004 to 12. And we'll hit our menu button here and find bidding. So this will give us a key code if I decoded it right. So 2, 1, 3, 5, 4, 4, 2, 4, 5, 5, and find bidding. And it does pull up a code here, 6322. So that's a good thing here. We can even see what the key would actually look like. And since it came with a code, it's more than likely decoded correctly, which is what we want. So let me go cut the key, and we'll see if it works here. All right, so out to the Dolphin and cut the key. And that's what it looks like here. Let me zoom out, get the lock back locked, get the Lishi out. And we'll go ahead and try it out here. And see it works perfectly. So there's a Volvo S40 2005, picked and decoded with the HU101. And as always, questions or comments, put them in the comments. I do try to answer everything. And got a couple of more locks here from the junkyard. I'll probably make some more videos on. And if you want to see anything else, or let me know in the comments as well. And we'll talk to everybody later.